Welcome to Gadget Era. Today's topic TCL V6C versus TCL V6B. Let's compare. Display, size diagonal, screen resolution, backlight type, brightness, refresh rate, aspect ratio, viewing angle, HDR, HDR format types, physical design, weight without stand, weight with stand, dimension, dimension without stand, video, picture processor, white color gamut, upscaling, color enhancement, audio, speaker configuration, number of speaker, total speaker output, output per speaker, sound technology, connectivity, USB boot, HDMI port, HDMI audio return channel, HDCP, HDMI CEC, Miracast, built-in Chromecast, screen mirroring, optical digital audio out, Ethernet, gaming, auto low latency mode, ALLM, remote control, internet access in remote, smart TV features, smart TV, operating system OS, App Store type, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth, voice assistant, processor cores, RAM, storage, power supply, voltage requirement, power consumption standby, generate, model, type, warranty. In the box, launch year,